Alright, YouTube, brand new day, and we out here siphoning the gas out of the fuel pump. I'm overflowing the tank, the homemade fuel pump, because I put too much gas in it. I'm overfueling it because the fuel pump was gone. Yeah, so I get it. So, we back with you guys. Just wanted to give you an update on what we got going for the new day. Should be swapping out the fuel pump at O'Reilly because it's under warranty. It's just inside a 1.5 years. But she looking clean. Under the engine bay.
Dang, how much you pay for that shit?
So the new fuel pump is in. Everything going in. Everything is in. Gonna get this first fire up going for you guys. First fire up, man. Got a first start going, man. Motherfucking Rx-8 moving under its own power, man. This is crazy, man. No fucking lie, man. I got a rotary, bro. That shit crazy. I got a rotary, bro. that and a damn muffler for that back pressure though. It's straight though, man. It run better than the BMW, bro. Believe it or not, bro. This shit run better than my BMW, bro. No lie. Got the idle right. It ain't got no cat or muffler on there. That's just headers. You how good that bitch idling? Like this, no bullshit. Not a light on. Damn. Hell yeah. I kind of want to redrive it again. Man, I'm finna goddamn put that cat on there and that engine mount. We lost the engine mount boat. I went and bought some from O'Reilly.
Oh, you found it already?
Nah, I went and bought some more.
Alright, well, Mike wait.
Nah, Mike right there. I'm finna let him drive it. See what he talking about. Lights on, boy. Look like a champ. Take a little cruise with you. Oh, I gotta fix this seat.
They're gonna be mad as fuck.
Who?
Chad's gonna be mad. Ben's gonna be mad.
I came and turned riches though. I turned riches though.
How the fuck your car running? Oh, the guy helped. Mike just helped me.
Mike goddamn gave assist, but